What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today we're going to do a video on the new Alpha Futures plan. This is going to be the direct plan. I had a lot of people asking me how direct funding or instant funding accounts work, so I'm going to make a video on this. Right now, guys, Alpha Futures is 35% off, and that's on every account. So the zeros, the advanced, the premiums, the direct, all of that. Code LukeX if you guys want the best discount available. And right now, I'm also doing a giveaway in the Discord on an Alpha Zero 50K. So if you guys want to join, links in the pinned comment, go to the giveaway channel and you'll see it in there and you can enter that for a chance to win an Alpha 50K Zero. So today we're going to do this video again. So I'll be 100%. I've never traded instant funding or direct funding accounts. I might try them with these ones. I'm not 100%. Now, these are usually accounts that I don't normally tell people to get. But I always try to make videos on multiple different prop firm accounts because I have a lot of people ask me how they work. Some people don't really understand the rules as much. So I figured I know what I'm talking about, so I could make a video going over this and kind of make it understandable. I've made videos on every prop firm, well, not every, but a lot of prop firm accounts. I made videos the other day on Lucid Pros. I've done Lucid Flex, Top Step accounts, the Alpha Zeros, the Alpha Premiums, Funded Next Bull, Funded Next Flex, everything. Like, so if you guys want to check all those out, links are in the well, not in the it's in my prop firm playlist. So go check that out. My prop firm playlist. You can go through all of those and see those accounts. Done one on Apex, everything. So basically with these are 35% off. So this is not going to be the price they are. It's like take 35% off this. So I think the 25Ks are 226. These 50Ks are around three something. Yeah, so you got to take 35% off this. So basically with these accounts, you skip the eval. So again, I had a lot of people ask me, they're kind of confused how this works, so I figured I'd knock this video out. But these type of accounts, you skip the eval. You've seen a lot of prop firms do this. I think Lucid has direct funding accounts. I can't remember who else, but like a lot of firms do instant funding or direct funding. What's it? Top One has it as well. But yeah, I'm gonna look through these. So the thing with these is obviously they're going to be more pricey than like you look at a zero eval or whatever. It's completely different, right? You're getting right to the funded account. Now there's going to be a consistency, so it's a little bit different. And the approach you'd have to take to trade these is different than you would on a funded account with no consistency. Now, you guys know I prefer funded accounts with no consistency. Reason being is just because it's more freedom, right? But this is something you do if you want to skip eval and you want to go right to the funding account. So we can see here we have 25Ks, 50Ks, 100Ks, and 150Ks, and basically everything depends on the account size that you get. So basically, you're getting up to a 90% profit split. You have a certain profit target to get to payout. The max contract size depends on the account. So two max would be for the 25Ks, four for the 50Ks, six for the 100Ks, and then 10 for the 150Ks. You can get paid out every 2 weeks, so it's bi-weekly, and you need a minimum of 5 trading days. And yeah, obviously there's going to be consistency and micro scaling rule. I'm going to go over this graphic really quick where it shows everything. So just give me a sec. I'm going to pull it up. So this is the graphic from Alpha. Basically, this. So the thing with direct is, again, it's some people, like most people, don't use these type of accounts, but it's a completely different approach than, like I said, with regular funded accounts. So you're getting funded instantly and you're starting from day one. Again, there's no eval. So you could potentially go from the buying the account to getting a payout in 5 days, rather than having to worry about passing an eval. And again, this is for people, maybe you don't like trading evals, maybe, you know what I mean, you don't mind putting a little bit more into account, you go for base hit trades. That's the type of person that would prefer these accounts. So again, payout cap is going to depend on the size of the account. You need 5 trading days. Daily loss limit is going to also depend on the size of the account, which would be 500 for the 25Ks, up to 3,000 for the 150Ks. You can have up to, well, max contracts again is going to depend on the account size. And then you can do 5 accounts. And okay, so payout policy, obviously 5 winning days of $200 or more, and you need to satisfy the consistency rule. So yeah, you need to satisfy a consistency rule. The consistency rule is going to be 20%. Now, 20%, you're like, oh my God, that's so low, but this is standard for instant funding or direct funding accounts. Now, obviously, regular funded accounts are going to be usually like Alphas is 40, some do 50, some do no consistency, obviously. So the reason these are low like this is because this is what direct funding accounts do. you're basically given an account with no eval. So basically the way to trade these would be you'd be going for base hit smaller trades, right? But most direct funded accounts are between like 15 to 30% consistency. That's just how it is. There's some that have 15%. There's some I've seen with 30, but usually around 20 is pretty standard for these type of accounts. So I'm going to show you guys the 25Ks and the 50Ks. I feel like those are the ones that most people are going to buy. So this is the non-discounted price. So obviously this is going to be, I think, 226 or something like that. And the 50K is three, I don't know, it's like 330. I'm pretty sure, something like that. So payout cap is going to depend again on the size of the account. You have a $1,000 payout cap per payout on the 25Ks, and then you have $2,000 on the 50Ks. And remember, you can get 5 accounts with these. So that's, you know what I mean, you multiply that by the amount of accounts you're trading, right? So daily loss limit, again, is going to depend on the size of the account. So $500 daily loss limit for the 25Ks, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. End of day max loss limit. So this is just end of day drawdown. And then trading days, you need 5 winning days for each of the accounts. And then your profit target is going to depend, again, you need $1,500 for your first payout on the 25Ks, and then $1,000 after that. From there, $3,000 for your first payout on the 50Ks, and then $2,000 for every payout after that. Again, a 20% consistency. And then your max contract size goes up with the size of the account as it goes up. So this is the graphic. If you guys want to screenshot this and you guys are interested in these accounts, yeah, these are them. Just figured I'd make a quick video on this. And again, you could take 35% off of these account sizes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, the way to trade these accounts, if you decide to take a direct funded account, is you'd be looking for base hits. You'd be going for smaller trades, smaller wins, and you'd be looking to satisfy that 20% consistency. The way to do that, like I said, you go for base hit trades, and that's it. You're not looking for runners. You're looking to just take your profit and get out. Again, I might give these a try one day, a direct funded. I usually just trade with alpha, the premiums, or the zero. But yeah, if you guys are willing to try these, they're out now. So if you guys are interested in them, let me know what you guys think of these accounts. Are these accounts for you? Are they not for you? Again, it's just somebody really who, you know, doesn't want to trade eval. It doesn't mind taking base hit trades. And again, if you have 5 accounts of these, it is pricey, but you can stack, you know, pretty good size payouts if you're trading them consistently and you're being smart. So, and it saves you from having to trade the eval. So if that's something you're interested in, these accounts are out now. Let me know what you guys think of them. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. Go enter the giveaway. Links in the pinned comment for the Discord. And let me know your guys' thoughts. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.